All right, what's up guys? Welcome back here on the YouTube channel. This might be a podcast as well, but if you're watching here on YouTube, thank you for tuning in. Real quick, a couple things before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on all the new content and trainings, just like this one coming very soon. Now, real quick guys, if you're a marketing agency owner and you are tired of paying for overpriced courses that deliver fluff and regurgitated info, and you want to get hands-on coaching for a 10th, a 20th, 30th of the price, then I invite you to click below in the description and check out our brand new product, Agency Hypergrowth Monthly. It's a monthly membership for agency owners where, again, you can get some of our best, most exclusive private client training material on a monthly membership, and you also will get access to monthly masterclasses, guest expert trainings, and we do $1,000 to $2,000 cash giveaways once a month for a random membership, for a random member rather. So if you're interested in that, click below agencyhypergrowth.com/monthly, and you can get all the info on that. Now, with the intros out of the way, let's roll into the video. So guys, again, I want to talk to you about how to fix your lead flow problem for good. Now, this strategy, guys, is probably going to be a bit further away from what you might think I'm going to give you, maybe a bit left field here. So when it comes to growing your marketing agency or your freelance marketing business, again, whether you sell Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, SEO, Instagram, whatever it is that you sell as a done-for-you agency or freelancer, the truth is, guys, if you don't have enough appointments on your calendar, if you don't have enough people reaching out and raising their hand and saying, yes, I want to work with you, it's going to be very, very difficult, and it's going to almost feel like you're trekking through mud to grow and scale your book of business. So one of the things that we really emphasize with our private clients here inside Agency Hypergrowth is before you start reaching out to anyone, before you start sending a message, before you start putting out a piece of content, what you must do before anything, guys, is you have to get ultra clear on who it is you're actually serving. That is step number one. Clearly define who it is you want to be serving and who it is you're going to be serving. You guys would be surprised at how many times I see people mess this stuff up. Honestly, like people go, well, I'm just gonna work with roofers, and then they go out and they start messaging roofers. The issue though is if you don't actually understand your market on an intimate level, and what that means is you need to know things like what keeps them up at night. What is it that your market really wants? Hint, oftentimes it is not more leads. Number three, what is the message and the offer that you can put in front of your market that is going to make them go, oh my goodness, I need to talk to this person. The only way you can know that, guys, is by knowing who it is you actually serve. And so to take that a step further, the next thing you want to look at is what is going to be your offer to that market, okay? If you just start going out and messaging people, guys, and you don't know what it is your actual offer is, you're going to suffer dearly with your lead flow, because when you have a fantastic offer that clients cannot say no to, messaging and getting appointments, and whether it's from paid or organic methods, becomes infinitely easier, guys, because people will be attracted to an offer that is worth them giving their time of day to than some, perfect, outreach message, right? So guys, get clear on what it is your actual offer is. So for example, this is something we work really closely with our private clients on here in Agency Hypergrowth. And what we don't do is say, go offer Facebook ads to roofers. No. We help our clients build a really well thought out, well positioned offer that's going to, just through the nature of the offer itself, allow them to position themselves differently and as a unique service provider in that market. So if you're not clear on what your offer is right now, like when I say what the offer, I mean, what is the services that you're offering, but more importantly, what is the promise of your offer, right? What is the actual, these are questions you want to ask yourself. What is the promise of the offer? In what time frame are you going to be able to help your clients get this XYZ result and fulfill this promise? How is the way that you are actually getting clients this result different, better, easier, faster, etc., than your competition? What makes you a better service provider for roofers or landscapers or chiropractors than the next person? Right? And how can you get clear on those things? And then step three is take these things, take what makes your offer amazing and what makes you different, weave it into your messaging. So you see how, guys, what we're doing is we're almost reverse engineering the process. Instead of starting with what message do I send to get more appointments? No. We're working backwards here. So we're getting clear on the market, who we serve, what keeps them up at night, what are the things they really want, and then we take that, we build out an offer, and then the byproduct is that we get clients flocking to us. So we're almost flipping appointment booking for agencies and freelancers on its head. And again, guys, this is why here with our agency, and obviously like we've got a coaching program that has hundreds of private clients that we've helped over the last few years, but we also run an agency right now currently as well. Like we're not just teaching, we're doing the thing as well. And that's why we're able to teach you guys so well. So in our agency, we run ads to get clients for our HVAC businesses or HVAC agencies. Called HVAC Surge is the name. You can look us up on Facebook. Maybe I'll leave a link in the description. You can see that we're actually doing the thing and not just teaching it. And guys, our offer is so damn good. And literally, guys, we've had many clients enroll and sign up with us. And on the sales call, really our sales calls aren't even sales calls anymore. They're just like onboarding calls. A lot of times we ask clients like, what resonated with you the most about what it is that we do? And they were like, the offer. Like you guys have your offer dialed in because it's exactly what I need. And that's what I'm telling you guys. You don't need a fancy outreach message. What you need is to get clarity on your market and then build an offer around that market that you know is going to resonate. When you nail that down, guys, booking appointments, keeping your calendar full, always having people to sell to becomes a byproduct of that. The same way that making money comes as a byproduct of falling in love with the process, doing the work, and giving value to the market, it's the same exact underlying concept, underlying mechanism here. So, that was a long-winded rant. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. I just want to say, like, I really am grateful for you if you're watching this on YouTube, if you're tuning in. I know I've had a following for the last couple of years that I've built and done my best to sustain. And guys, I'd love to get feedback from you guys. Do you want to see more content just like this? Is this type of stuff is this more tactical stuff helpful, like actually in the nitty gritty and the weeds of the agency thing? Because again, guys, this is what we do on a daily basis, what we teach our clients. So let me know, guys, if you'd like to see more content just like this in the comments down below. Now, again, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications. And again, if you'd like to learn more about our brand new product and our brand new offer, Agency Hypergrowth Monthly, you can literally get some of our best private client training material to start growing your agency that is directly pulled from our Agency Hypergrowth system that we've taught to hundreds of clients. You get access to monthly guest expert trainings, people that I bring in from my personal network, that they teach things like finances or financial management for agencies, SEO, content marketing and paid ads, media buying, how to bring stuff in-house, all of that good stuff. You also have access to monthly cash giveaways, guys. We literally give $1,000 away every single month to one random member in cash that you can then go use for the growth of your business. Like just being part of our membership, you get money. Like we pay you to be part of it. So again, guys, if you'd like to learn more, and by the way, I think if you go over and check out all the info on the page, I think you'd be pleasantly surprised at the price point that we put it at, because we wanted to make it affordable enough for you to invest in, but also still make it make sense for us as a company for what we're giving you. So if you'd like to learn more about Agency Hypergrowth Monthly, click the link down below. And with that said, guys, I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I want to be in that scene. Damn right you want to be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white